Past simple. Irregular verbs. Did you go to the park yesterday? Yes, I went to the park yesterday. Did she see the movie last night? Yes, she saw the movie last night. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Yes, we ate breakfast this morning. Did he drink coffee yesterday? Yes, he drank coffee yesterday. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took my medicine. Did they give her the book? Yes, they gave her the book. Did you make dinner last night? Yes, we made dinner last night. Did he come to the meeting on time? Yes, he came to the meeting on time. Did you know the answer to the question? Yes, I knew the answer to the question. Did they think about the problem? Yes, they thought about the problem. Did you tell him the news? Yes, I told him the news. Did the concert begin on time? Yes, the concert began on time. Did you feel tired after the trip? Yes, I felt tired after the trip. Did they leave the party early? Yes, they left the party early. Did he bring his homework? Yes, he brought his homework. Did you read the newspaper today? Yes, we read the newspaper today. Did you run in the marathon? Yes, I ran in the marathon. Did she meet anyone new at the conference? Yes, she met someone new at the conference. Did you lose your wallet? Yes, I lost my wallet. Did they get a new phone? Yes, they got a new phone. Did you see the film last night? Yes, we saw the film last night. Did she drive to work today? Yes, she drove to work today. Did you choose the blue dress? Yes, I chose the blue dress. Did you catch the bus this morning? Yes, I caught the bus this morning. Did they buy groceries yesterday? Yes, they bought groceries yesterday. Did she teach English at that school? Yes, she taught English at that school. Did you write a letter to your friend? Yes, I wrote a letter to my friend. Did you find your keys? Yes, we found our keys. Did he become a teacher after college? Yes, he became a teacher after college. Did you put the book on the table? Yes, I put the book on the table. Did you keep the promise? Yes, I kept the promise. Did he understand the instructions? Yes, he understood the instructions. Did they do their homework? Yes, they did their homework. Did you build the model? Yes, I built the model. Did he ride a bike in the park? Yes, he rode a bike in the park. Did she speak to the manager? Yes, she spoke to the manager. Did you swim in the swimming pool? Yes, we swam in the swimming pool. Did they have a good time there? Yes, they had a great time. Did she forget her keys? Yes, she forgot her keys. Did he say hello to you? Yes, he said hello to me. Did they sell the car to their neighbor? Yes, they sold the car to their neighbor. Did you pay the bill at the restaurant? Yes, we paid the bill at the restaurant. Did she throw him the ball? Yes, she threw him the ball. Did she send them the email yesterday? Yes, she sent them the email yesterday. Did you spend all your money on a new phone? Yes, I spent all my money on a new phone. Did they sit down on the sofa? Yes, they sat down on the sofa. Did it cost much? Yes, it cost a lot. Did she stand up at the meeting? Yes, she stood up at the meeting. Did she cut the onions? Yes, she cut the onions. Did he break the cup? Yes, he broke the cup.